After this, we are doing electrolysis. So what is electrolysis? The process in which a electrolyte. So what is electrolyte? The solution which conduct the electricity, okay, dissociate into ions when the current is passed through it. So here you can see that what is electrolysis, that the solution that conduct electricity is known as electrolyte, okay, and the process by which an electrolyte is decomposed with the help of electricity is known as electrolysis. For example, again you have taken like one electrolyte, suppose you have taken AB, suppose let it be AB, and AB will dissociate into the A positive plus B negative. You know that these are what? Positive ions are called as cation, negative ions are called as anion, okay. So this is called what? This is called electrolysis. So after this I am telling you about electrodes. What are electrodes? So here you can see electrodes are what? You can see these two rods are dipped in the solution. So these electrodes are generally made up of carbon, okay. And here cathode. Cathode is what? Cathode is the negative terminal where the color will change, okay. And anode. Anode is the positive terminal. So again I am telling you what are electrodes. Electrodes are the two rods which are generally made up of carbon, and when and on the cathode there is the negative terminal, and on the anode there is the positive terminal, and these are made up of carbon. So now after this again I am telling you electrolyte. Electrolyte is what? A substance that dissociate into the ions, okay, and the chemical reaction takes place here. So now the next topic I will tell you about electrolysis of aqueous solution of sodium chloride. So now we are doing electrolysis process with the help of the solution sodium chloride. So here we are taking which electrolyte? Sodium chloride. So sodium chloride is a salt, okay, and we have taken the in the last we have talked about that cathode has the negative terminal. Electrodes, we have talked about electrode now. So electrodes are what? Are the rods, and cathode has the negative terminal and anode has the positive terminal. So here you can see that we have taken the solution of sodium chloride and we have dipped the two electrodes here. On the cathode you have seen that from the solution when the current will pass through it, so from the solution that will dissociate into Na positive and Cl negative, and the Na positive ions will go on the cathode and Cl negative ions will go on the anode, okay. ये याद रखना है आपने. Again I am telling you that when the current will start flowing through this cell, then what happened? That NaCl, you have taken the NaCl solution, that is the sodium chloride solution. So what will happen? When you will dip the electrode into it, and you know that on the cathode there is negative charge and on the anode there is positive charge, and from the solution when the current will pass through it, then NaCl will dissociate, will break down into Na positive and Cl negative, and the Na positive ions will go on the cathode and the Cl negative ions will go on the anode, as you can see here in this figure. I think it's clear to you. Cathode is what? Negative terminal. Anode has positive terminal, and we have taken which electrolyte here? Sodium chloride solution, okay. And when current will pass through it, what will happen? When the current will pass through it, then sodium chloride will dissociate into the ions, okay. Which ions? Sodium Na positive and chloride Cl negative, okay. And Na positive will go on the cathode and the Cl negative will go on the anode. Now so here you can see in this animation. So after this, I think it's clear to you now that NaCl is dissociate into Na positive and Cl negative, as I repeated 2-3 times, okay. So now after this, following reaction takes place. So which reactions takes place? Like I told you that when the sodium chloride, when the current will pass through this electrolyte, then it will dissociate into sodium ions and chloride ions. Yes, and sodium ion will go on the cathode and chloride ions will go on the anode. This is clear to you? So here you can see again. So Na positive are going on the so see what happened. You know that Na positive, positive means anode, and Cl negative, negative means cathode. Okay, so what will happen? The negative ion will go on the positive charge and the positive ion will go on the negative charge. As you can see here, that chloride, you can see that Cl negative, okay, that will combine with Cl and it will produce the chlorine gas, and on the cathode Na will take the electron and it will form what? It will form the sodium. So here you can see it is in pure form. At cathode sodium is at the cathode sodium is pure, and at anode chlorine gas will liberate. So after this we are doing electrolysis, as I told you earlier also. So as you know that here we have taken what? Water with a little acid, okay, and you have taken two electrodes. The black color pure, the black colors are electrode. So what are electrodes? It is generally made up of carbon, as you can see here, and on the electrodes we have inverted two test tubes, and you can see that bubbles of gas are coming. Yes, so these bubbles of gas are coming after when the current will pass through it, and on the cathode there is negative charge and on the anode there is the positive charge. So here you can see the gas is liberating, bubbles will showing the gas is liberating. Okay, so after this we are talking about, yes, after this, yes, this is the main topic again. First of all, I am telling you about what is electroplating. So first of all, here we are talking about electroplating. So what is electroplating? Listen very carefully. What is electroplating? Electroplating means the process of depositing a thin layer of metal on any conducting substance by the process of electrolysis is known as electroplating. So here you can see that we have taken, in the first figure you can see that we have taken two electrodes here. Yes, and the article is to be electroplated. जो आर्टिकल को आपको इलेक्ट्रोप्लेट करना है, that is first washed with an alkali solution. Why? To remove any grease from its surface. Okay, then you will wash that article with the dilute acid. Why? To remove any oxide layer. So after this you will place that articles, you will take that article and it is then thoroughly washed in the running water until it is free from the acids. So now what will you do here? So what is electroplating? Electroplating means depositing a thin layer of metal on any conducting substance by the process of electrolysis. Okay, so here you can see in this figure what we are doing. We have taken the salt solution here. In the first figure you can see that we have taken salt solution, and you can see that metals start depositing on the surface of the cathode. Okay, so what is cathode? Where is the negative charge? So negative charge, how can you guess the negative charge? Here you can see the negative charge, that terminal which is joined with a small terminal, negative terminal. Okay, So on the other hand, from the anode means the positive charge, okay, the longer line, the terminal, positive terminal. So from the anode, equal amounts of metal get deposited in the solution. So what will happen here? Again I am telling you that when the current passes through the salt solution, the metals start depositing on the cathode. What is the cathode here? Cathode is the spoon. On the spoon there is cathode, okay. And on the other hand, from the